Are you eager to explore the creative world of video editing without the need for specialized software or downloads? Look no further. In this guide, we'll show you how to open CapCut on the web, a versatile online video editing platform that empowers you to bring your video ideas to life. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting your journey, CapCut's web version offers an accessible and user-friendly experience. So, let's dive right in and discover how to open CapCut on the web to begin your video editing adventure. So, first go to Google and search CapCut and click them first link. You just wait to sign in and click them. Second, click Edit Online. Okay, so CapCut is open now. You click the Create Project. Okay man, congratulations. You've now learned how to open CapCut on the web and embark on your video editing journey with ease. With CapCut's user-friendly interface and an array of creative tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to create stunning videos that capture your vision. Whether it's for personal projects, social media content, or professional endeavors, CapCut on the web provides a convenient platform to express your creativity. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started, and we encourage you to explore the myriad possibilities that CapCut offers for your video editing needs. Happy editing!